Welcome back to the channel, Universal Starship. A recent incident has sparked curiosity and concern in the vast expanse of space, where silence is the norm and the unknown is ever present. Welcome to our exclusive report on the baffling noises emanating from the Boeing Starliner spacecraft of NASA. NASA's Boeing Starliner spacecraft, which was built to take astronauts to and from the International Space Station, has been the center of space exploration. In any case, as of late, something surprising has happened. An odd commotion revealed by a space traveler locally available. On a mission that was supposed to be routine, an astronaut on the Starliner heard a noise that no one could figure out what it was. An in-depth investigation has been prompted by this unexpected sound, which has raised questions. While everything was working true to form, I heard a curious clamor coming from a region of the space apparatus that we hadn't encountered any issues with previously. Although it wasn't particularly alarming, we decided to report it right away because it was so unusual. The Boeing Starliner is a wonder of present-day designing, outfitted with cutting-edge frameworks to guarantee space explorer security and mission achievement. The noise that was reported came from a section of the spacecraft service module, and it was described as intermittent and faint. Any anomaly is taken very seriously by us. We've looked at the spacecraft systems first and haven't found any immediate problems. Be that as it may, we're going through each part and framework to guarantee there's no hidden issue. Extensive testing and analysis are part of the investigation. Engineers are analyzing everything from the space apparatus's drive framework to its hardware and primary honesty. Space noise analysis is particularly challenging because there is no atmosphere. To determine the sound's origin and nature, the spacecraft's internal environment must be thoroughly investigated. The thrusters and heat shields of the Starliner are among the parts under investigation. Any problems with these systems could possibly cause noises that the astronauts aboard might hear. Vibrations from mechanical systems, interactions between different materials, and even minor collisions with micrometeoroids are just a few of the many things that could cause such noises. It is necessary to carefully rule out each possibility. Fortunately, the Starliner's crew is well versed in dealing with unforeseen circumstances. Their safety and the success of the mission are always their top priorities. We are constantly in touch with mission control. On the off chance that there's always an issue, we have conventions to address it. The peculiar commotion didn't obstruct our tasks. However, it's a sign of the intricacies of working in space. NASA is focused on keeping up with the best expectations of well-being and execution for every one of its missions. We are collaborating closely with Boeing to quickly and thoroughly resolve this issue. We can rest assured that the Starliner will continue to be a safe and reliable spacecraft thanks to the investigation. Space investigation is full of difficulties, but on the other hand, it's a demonstration of human inventiveness and versatility. The Boeing Starliner's strange noise investigation is just the latest chapter in the ongoing quest to learn more about the universe. Keep an eye out for more information regarding this story and other space missions. We continue to gaze upward for the time being, inspired by the universe's mysteries. Thank you for watching, and remember to sign up for the latest space exploration news.